Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get free food on Skip the Dishes. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Skip the Dishes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, go ahead and log into your account. And after logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the restaurants that are near you. You can use the search bar, you can see your orders and so on. So guys, now let's say that we want to order some free food on Skip the Dishes, and guys, this is how to do it. So as you can see, here are a bunch of restaurants that we can order from. So guys, the first thing we have to do is go ahead and make a couple of orders. Doesn't matter how, you can do that in a month or two. Just go ahead and make some orders, and after ordering guys, you can go ahead right here to the reward section at the bottom right corner. In the reward section guys, you can see you can collect rewards for your deliveries that you have did before and all the orders that you made. And after making these orders, you can go ahead and see you can use your points to redeem coins. As you can see, you can view your rewards history and so on. Basically, the more you order, the more points you're going to get, and you can exchange those points for free deliveries and free food. So if you have any points, they will appear right here in the rewards section. But yeah guys, basically just go ahead and order food, collect points, and after that use them for free deliveries and free foods, and basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.